Ready to refresh your shower fixtures? Here's what you need to know to install a new shower head and faucet. First, turn off the water and relieve the pressure by opening another faucet elsewhere in the house. Remove the old shower head with a pair of pliers or wrenches. Hold the shower arm steady with your free hand to prevent any movement inside the wall. Next, remove the handle and trim plate until you reach the valve behind the wall. Make sure your existing valve is compatible with the new faucet. If it isn't, you'll need to replace it. Some kits come with the new valve included, so you don't have to worry about purchasing a separate one. But replacing a shower valve can be complicated. If you're not confident, call a professional. Assuming everything is compatible, it's time to install the new cartridge. First, remove the bonnet nut and the existing cartridge. Next, discard the test cap and debris screen on the new cartridge. Then, make sure the H for hot is on the correct side and align the keys. Press the cartridge in, then reinstall the bonnet nut. Slide the sleeve that came with the shower faucet handle over the cartridge. Then, add the trim plate and handle. Now you can install the new shower head. Clean the shower arm and wrap plumber's tape around the threads, then hand tighten the shower head. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. Replacing your shower head and faucet is an easy way to upgrade your bathroom.